Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to turn off your text chats on Valorant. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn off your Valorant's text chats, it's actually so easy. So to do that, first, I want you to press the escape key on your keyboard. And after pressing it, you will now be able to see all the players in the match, and beside them is the text chats option. So to mute all of their text chats, you just need to uncheck all of it. And after unchecking it all, it's done. Their text chats on this match will now be muted. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.